When this structure emerges from the shadows, you are looking at heavy industrial machinery. The popular image of a lumbering reptile is biological fiction. Evaluated strictly through the disciplines of structural engineering and sensory neurobiology, the Tyrannosaurus Rex operates as a 10-ton biomechanical tank. To understand exactly how it operated, we have to analyze it using finite element analysis and rigid mechanical physics. This creates an immediate engineering paradox. We are looking at biological tissues, bone, muscle, and cartilage, functioning with the extreme tolerances and shear force outputs normally reserved for forged steel. 3 core systems make this possible: a skull operating as a hydraulic press, a sensory array functioning as passive sonar, and a bipedal chassis utilizing a kinetic spring suspension. By treating this organism as a biological weapon system, we can reverse engineer its design, starting from the lethal payload of its jaws and working backward to the chassis. Applying strict engineering principles reveals an entirely optimized organism. It leaves zero room for biological accident, creating a mathematically inescapable machine. We begin with the payload data. At the exact moment of impact, the jaws generated a confirmed 35,000 newtons of bite force. For context, human heavy industry requires specialized hydraulic shears to generate that specific force output to cut through solid steel plating. This heat map shows the rigid structural architecture making this force possible. Extreme pressure accumulates in the fused nasal bones, while massive adductor muscle chambers build maximum tension. These chambers function like biological hydraulic pistons, driving the jaw downward with an overwhelming mechanical advantage. With this much pressure, the teeth serve a specific function. They are thick, reinforced kinetic penetrators, designed for structural impacts rather than slicing soft tissue. This diagram shows a cross-section of a single tooth striking bone. The governing physics here is the mechanical stress equation, where stress equals force divided by area. By concentrating 35,000 newtons of force into the tiny surface area of the tooth's tip, the organism maximizes localized stress to puncture heavily armored prey. This specific architecture forces a highly specific outcome: the catastrophic structural failure of solid bone matrices upon impact. The biomechanical data forces a reclassification. The T-Rex skull is a specialized industrial press engineered for absolute structural destruction. Delivering that payload requires a highly effective target acquisition system. Cinematic fiction claims this predator relied on movement-based vision, implying a target could hide simply by standing completely still. Freezing in place offered zero protection and was biologically irrelevant against this specific sensory network. The first component of its tracking array is an expanded olfactory bulb. This tissue functioned as a highly sensitive chemical radar. It operated over a massive range, locking onto pheromones and the exact chemical signatures of decay across distances of several miles. This cross-section illustrates a biological seismic sensor array. Distant footsteps create infrasound waves radiating through the earth. Specialized footpads absorb these vibrations, which travel up the skeleton to register in the inner ear as a precise location ping. This system is functionally identical to a terrestrial submarine, utilizing passive sonar to map its physical environment, entirely bypassing the need for visual confirmation. Combining a long-range chemical radar with seismic passive sonar guarantees that this organism possessed a mathematically inescapable tracking lock on its surrounding environment. Moving a 10-ton mass at high speeds introduces a severe physics problem: the violent kinetic shock generated every time a foot hits the earth. A standard biological skeleton attempting to absorb these repeated, high-velocity impact forces would instantly shatter under its own weight. The biological engineering solution to this problem is a specialized arctometatarsalien foot structure. This wireframe highlights how elongated metatarsal bones operate. Instead of rigid supports, they compress like a massive kinetic spring. Dictated by the potential energy equation, the system compresses under massive weight, loading potential energy and absorbing the lethal impact force. This biological suspension system actively stores the devastating kinetic energy generated by the organism's own mass. On the upswing of the stride, the system releases that stored energy back into the leg, maintaining forward momentum with extreme mechanical efficiency. Without this mandatory kinetic suspension system, a 10-ton bipedal bioweapon would literally destroy its own skeletal structure in pursuit of a target. Locomotion presents a second major engineering hurdle, maintaining a stable center of gravity while maneuvering a top-heavy 10-ton mass. The massive tail functions as a highly dynamic, active counterbalancer. This top-down view maps the angular momentum calculations required to execute a sharp turn without losing balance. The mathematical relationship between the heavy skull and the tail's opposing force allows the tail to actively balance vector forces by calculating torque. Managing the shifting weight in real time enabled this heavily armored unit to execute high-speed pivot maneuvers with unexpected agility. If this counterbalancing system failed for even a fraction of a second during a sprint, the organism would be instantly ripped off its feet by its own angular momentum. The tail operates as a continuous biological physics calculator, ensuring the massive weapon payload remains upright, agile, and lethal under the extreme stress of pursuit. This schematic displays the fully assembled 10-ton biomechanical tank with all engineered systems operating in perfect synchronization. The bipedal chassis relies on continuous angular momentum management from the dynamic tail, supported by the kinetic spring suspension system in the metatarsals. Its target acquisition combines long-range chemical tracking with a mathematically inescapable seismic passive sonar array. All of this exists to deliver the final payload, a 35,000 Newton hydraulic press skull driving localized mechanical stress to initiate structural failure in solid armor. Every millimeter of this organism represents a masterclass in pushing biological bone, muscle, and tissue to their absolute physical and mechanical limits. Nature engineered a perfectly optimized, heavy industrial prehistoric bioweapon.